We don't really want them to mess with the patterns that we have set for our current content type, so we'll skip these. For search, there's Administer search, which allows the user to change the settings for the search. We haven't explored those yet, but we can be pretty confident that because this is an administration permission, that we don't need to give the guides permission for this. Use search, we definitely want them to be able to use search and use the advanced search, but because authenticated users already have this checked, guides have it checked by default. Okay, I'm going to keep scrolling down. The shortcut module is the module that takes care of this shortcut bar at the top. It allows us to add new shortcuts as well. We haven't talked deeply about the shortcut module yet, so we'll come back to these permissions after we do. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to System. Pretty much anything under the System category has to do with administrative permissions, so we probably don't want to give any of these to the guide, but let's go ahead and review these so we have a sense of what's available to us. The Administer module's permission allows the user to install and uninstall modules, enable and disable them. The Administer site configuration permission allows the user to administer anything you can find in the configuration section that's not specifically covered by a separate permission. Administer themes gives the user the ability to enable or disable themes or modify the theme settings. Administer software updates allows the user to access certain areas of the site that have to do with upgrading Drupal and its components. Administer actions allows the user to work with actions, and we haven't talked about actions yet, so we'll skip this for now. I'm going to scroll down. Use the administration pages in help. This gives the user access to administration pages as well as to this help section here. Use the site in maintenance mode. We haven't talked about maintenance mode yet, so let's skip that. View the administration theme allows the user to see a different theme when they're in the administration section versus when they're in the front end. So if the user can use administration pages, it's good to check this as well to allow them to view it in a theme that's more geared towards the administration section. View site reports allows the user to view several reports about the site. If you may remember, we went to the status report page to look at several pieces of information around cron runs, and that would be one report that they would get access to by having this permission. Block IP addresses allows the user to disable or block certain users based on their IP addresses.